Hello, good day friends. So welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the different ways that you can actually earn in the web3 space, and if you are someone that's into cryptocurrency. Now the reason why you are seeing I'm navigating only through Telegram is just because of the fact that there are some restrictions that we are bound with currently now. So the only way we can show you guys so you can actually keep on earning is to just actually say it and not really show you guys the interface. This is something that you can easily do on your own because it's very simple. Now currently if I check here, you are going to see this is what I just currently receive. Now you can see it right here. Right now I'm receiving that based of the fact that there is a particular amount that I'm pledging for me to actually earn. Now for you to do, all you just need to do for you to get started is to click on the pinned comments of this video, and once you click on it, these are just baby steps. You are going to sign up using an email or you sign up using a mobile phone number. While I'm still discussing that, if you are someone that is interested in farming airdrops, in learning how to do airdrop, all you just need to do is to find your way down to my Telegram channel and participate on this particular project that I'm actually bullish on. It is called Caladio Finance Tested Mining. There are a lot of projects that you can actually participate on. So after you are done clicking get started and you sign up with your email, right? After you are done signing up with your email or you sign up with your mobile phone number, so after you are done clicking on sign up, the next thing for you to do after you are done registering, I mean to say, is for you to go to where it's called recharge. Now before you are going to go to recharge interface actually looks like this. So you are going to be the one to choose any network in USDT, either BEP20, TRC20, TRX, BNB or BEP20 UDC. So after you've chosen that, you are going to scroll. Before you even choose that, please make sure you scroll down. Right, if you scroll down, you are going to be pledging any particular amount for 32 days. So once you pledge the amount for 32 days, it's going to be giving you an ROI based off the amount that you are going to pledge. So make sure you are pledging it for 32 days and ensure that daily you make your withdrawals. You understand? So that's just basically it. Now this information that I'm giving is actually meant for educational purpose. You understand? So you are left to actually make your own research, and if it's something that you would like to do, please make sure you are participate in it so that you can actually earn, because I'm just dishing out the stuff that I do for me myself to actually earn, and I feel like I should still keep on sharing it to my communities, to those that are interested, so they can actually participate in it and earn. If you have any question, please make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video, so you can actually get there and ask me whatever question that you want. Now if you want to withdraw on this particular platform, all you need to do is to make sure you are making use of BEP20 network address. Remember, you can fund using any network, but if you want to withdraw, make use of BEP20. It's very easy for you to get access to BEP20. If you have any question, my link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video, so you can ask me. I'll be there to readily guide you and answer your question. And you can also contact their customer support. There is a link and everything is detailed there. Thank you guys for watching.